Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us today at WBT and for taking the opportunity to hear about our licensing opportunity. VueLogic is a predictive analytics company that enables real-time, one-to-one content and offer delivery to authenticated users at the point of customer engagement. What this means to you as a consumer is that at the time you sign on to Gap or Abercrombie or Fitch, they will now know that you are most likely to purchase tanks, tees, and shorts at a 15% discount, and that enables them to provide directed content to you that meets your specific needs. We do this by we capture and analyze consumer data across multiple data sources and domains. We support and data mine a national exchange of data, and we increase client revenue and loyalty by creating differentiated messaging and offers based on actual consumption. The critical business issue that we're dealing with our clients is how do they increase revenue and decrease cost of sales at the same time. Today, 76% of companies in America are actively working towards customer intelligence solutions and using customer data to drive more personal engagement. 30% of consumers who have responded have said personalized content will create increased loyalty and increased spending on my part as a consumer. And Gartner has rated analytics as the #2 technology for 2010. How do we do this? Today, organizations reach out to you as a consumer in a variety of ways. Internet, direct mail, e-commerce, social media. What that does is relates you back to their organization in multiple touch points. It may be a call center, it may be in e-commerce, it may be in a social media type environment. Each one of those represents or is captured in a different data store today. And in most organizations, these stores are differentiated and not connected because they've grown up out of different times, different places, and different needs within that organization, and they don't talk to one another. So what we do is we begin to pull that data together into a unified view of a customer. We actually match the identities, and then we provide back a suite of tools that enables a client to engage with their consumers in a one-on-one personal basis. And what that does is creates a differentiated revenue opportunity for them. They now have increased lift, increased loyalty, increased revenue across the board. Our solution really optimizes revenue at the individual level, on a customer-by-customer basis, on an engagement-by-engagement basis. We leverage a unique data exchange of consumer information. We create a unified view of that customer across all those data stores. We provide offer differentiation based on actual customer value. It's low cost, easy to implement. It's a SaaS solution. It leverages authenticated customer data. It doesn't require cookies, persistent code, anything like that to be embedded in the browser. And one of the things that's unique and differentiated is that it is currently privacy compliant. It complies with the EU Data Privacy Act, which is the most strict in the world. If you've been keeping up with anything around what the FTC is doing today relative to consumer privacy and behavioral targeting, you will see that this is going to be extremely important on a go-forward basis. An example is a customer of ours. It's a retail franchise company, 240 plus locations. When they applied this technology, they really saw about a 30% lift in customer engagement and customer revenue against their individual targets. The licensing opportunity we have today really takes two forms. One, it can be an OEM. This is a white label opportunity where our channel partners have the opportunity to leverage our software as a service solution. They private label it, They are able to maintain brand, maintain their customer facing, including all control of pricing, and we participate on their success. We also provide a traditional licensing fee, where this is a lift and shift technology where it actually drops into their organization. Anticipated revenue is about 25 cents per customer record per year with a 50% margin. What this means is if you have 1 million consumers under management, it's worth $250,000 in revenue. And if you'd like to find out more, please come see me at booth 410. Thank you very much.